Hey everyone, Tech Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 27 update on your iPhone. So let's get started. Right now, at the time of recording, if you go into your setting and you go to General, Software Update, you're going to see iOS 26 update. It's because iOS 27 hasn't been released. When it's officially released, it's going to show up here. However, you still can get iOS 27, which is the beta update version. So in order to get that, first thing you're going to do is go to a browser like Safari and in Google search iOS developer beta, and that's going to take you to beta.apple.com, which is the very first link in order to sign up for the software beta program so you can get iOS 27 without it actually being released yet. So you can go over here, you're going to go ahead and click on sign up, that link here, and then you're going to log in with your account, the same account that you're using on your iPhone. Here I already have done that. So what I do is after that, you're going to come back to the software update. You're going to see option for beta update and tap on it. Make sure it's the same account. And now you can select the 27 public beta or developer beta, depending on what you're looking to do. So if I select the 27 public beta edition, it's going to give a moment. It's going to go ahead and pick that, and you can go back this time. And then I will see iOS 27 of beta 3 right now that I can click on update now. But before you update, it's very important that if you are doing this update, because it is a beta version, it is highly recommended that you don't do it on your phone. If you have a secondary phone, you can do it. But if you do decide to do it, make sure you back everything up just in case, because again, it's not publicly released, the official version yet, which is going to come out in the next month. So that's how you install iOS 27 update. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.